Number 1. 1973 Harley-Davidson Ironhead, $3,000, Lodi, New Jersey. The 1973 Harley-Davidson Ironhead captures the unmistakable character of Harley's early Sportster era with classic styling, simple mechanical design, and the distinctive personality that continues to attract vintage enthusiasts. With its right-side shift setup and kickstart configuration, this motorcycle offers an authentic, old-school riding experience from the early 1970s. This example shows 21,212 miles and features an S&S Super E carburetor, new tires, and refreshed gaskets throughout. It runs and rides well and comes with a clean New Jersey title in the seller's name, along with a used replacement front wheel and tire. The front wheel will meet attention for proper truing, and the bike currently has no front brake, making this an interesting classic for an enthusiast comfortable with a little finishing work. Number 2. 1984 Moto Guzzi LeMans, $2,900, Westport, Maine. The Moto Guzzi LeMans is a distinctive Italian sport motorcycle known for its longitudinal V-twin engine, shaft drive, and unmistakable European styling. The LeMans models have developed a loyal following among enthusiasts who appreciate their unique engineering, engaging character, and strong connection to classic Italian motorcycle history. This example is described as an original condition motorcycle that starts, runs, rides, and stops after being mechanically cared for by its previous owner for approximately 40 years. The bike is cosmetically scruffy and would benefit from some attention, but its mechanical foundation makes it an appealing preservation or refresh project. It is being sold with a bill of sale, and Maine does not title vehicles over 25 years old. Number 3. 1973 Norton Commando 850, $7,500, Frederick, Maryland. The 1973 Norton Commando 850 is one of the most celebrated British motorcycles of its era, combining iconic styling with the legendary character of Norton's 850cc parallel twin engine. Its isolastic rubber-mounted engine system helped give the Commando a reputation for a remarkably smooth ride, making it one of the standout British performance motorcycles of the 1970s. This example is presented in excellent running condition, starting easily and riding beautifully, with a continuous 15-year service history and detailed maintenance documentation. The seller describes it as needing nothing but a new rider, making it particularly attractive to someone who wants to enjoy a classic Norton without taking on a major restoration. For collectors and vintage riders, this Commando offers a strong combination of history, condition, and usability. Number 4. 1977 Yamaha XS650, $2,200, Doylestown, Pennsylvania. The 1977 Yamaha XS650 is a classic Japanese parallel twin known for its simple design, strong character, and timeless styling. Inspired by traditional British motorcycles while benefiting from Japanese engineering, the XS650 has become a favorite among vintage riders and custom builders alike because of its straightforward mechanics and enjoyable road manners. This example has 18,000 miles and a clean title in the seller's name, with rebuilt and synchronized carburetors, a rebuilt front caliper, and OEM-style used mufflers already installed. The motorcycle goes through all gears and is described as a rider rather than a show bike, with an OEM-style tank repaint completed last year. It still needs routine attention such as an oil change, chain, and possibly tires, making it an affordable classic with room for improvement. Number 5. 1969 BSA Lightning 650, $4,000, Meadow Bridge, West Virginia. The 1969 BSA Lightning 650 represents the classic British twin-cylinder motorcycle at a time when BSA was one of the major names in the international motorcycle market. With its distinctive styling, four-speed transmission, and traditional parallel twin character, the Lightning remains an appealing choice for enthusiasts who appreciate authentic British motorcycle heritage. This example has approximately 13,000 miles and is described as well-kept and cared for, with the motorcycle running and driving as expected. It features the iconic right-side shift transmission and kickstart-only configuration, preserving much of the traditional riding experience of the era. For someone searching for a genuine late 1960s British classic with an attractive price point, this BSA Lightning offers plenty of vintage character. Number 6. 1973 Honda CL350, $3,300, Bloomdale, Ohio. The 1973 Honda CL350 is a classic Japanese motorcycle that blends simple engineering, approachable performance, and unmistakable 1970s styling. Honda's CL models remain popular among vintage enthusiasts for their versatility and easygoing character, making them enjoyable choices for casual riding, collecting, or weekend cruising. This example shows 8,900 miles and is described as being in excellent condition, with electronic ignition, rebuilt carburetors, new OEM filters, and newer tires. It starts instantly, runs strongly, and reportedly has everything working properly, while numerous spare parts, a manual, cover, and carrier rack are included. With mostly original equipment and only a small tank dent noted, this CL350 offers a very appealing vintage package.
That was without a choke.
Number 7. 1967 BMW R60/2, $7,300, Townsend, Delaware. The 1967 BMW R60/2 is a highly respected classic airhead, admired for its distinctive engineering, durable construction, and timeless German design. These motorcycles have earned a strong reputation among vintage enthusiasts as capable long-distance machines, while their period details and mechanical character continue to make them desirable collector bikes. This example was completely rebuilt approximately 15 years ago and has remained an active weekly rider ever since, receiving regular service and updates. It features new tires and seat, triple matching numbers, a clear title, original toolkit and tire pump, while light patina on the mufflers and handlebars adds to its authentic character. Recently checked over and kept garaged, this R60/2 is presented as a dependable rider rather than a trailer queen. Number 8. 1978 Suzuki GS550E, $1,200, Hasbrook Heights, New Jersey. The 1978 Suzuki GS550E represents Suzuki's early generation of smooth, compact four-cylinder motorcycles, combining classic Japanese styling with a lightweight and responsive platform. Today, the GS550 is especially appealing to enthusiasts who enjoy affordable vintage motorcycles and custom builds, thanks to its straightforward design and strong cafe racer potential. This example has approximately 6,000 miles and has already been transformed into a cafe racer-style motorcycle. The bike currently needs a new battery and attention to the carburetor before it can return to regular riding, but it comes with a clean title. At just $1,200, it offers an accessible starting point for someone looking for an inexpensive vintage Suzuki project with plenty of customization possibilities. Number 9. 1978 Harley-Davidson XLH1000, $4,900, Frederick, Maryland. The 1978 Harley-Davidson XLH1000 Ironhead is especially interesting as a 75th anniversary edition, combining classic Sportster character with distinctive factory styling.
Harley-Davidson produced only around 2,300 examples of this special edition, making original survivors particularly appealing to enthusiasts and collectors interested in limited production vintage models. This motorcycle retains its original paint, exhaust, seat cover, gold wheels, and distinctive black and gold anniversary trim. After approximately 15 years of indoor display, it was fully serviced and returned to the road with a new battery, fresh oil and filter, and valve and timing adjustments. Running and riding well with a clear title, this rare anniversary Sportster offers a strong combination of originality, history, and classic Harley character.
Number 10. 1979 Honda CB750, $1,000, Chillicothe, Ohio. The 1979 Honda CB750 continues the legacy of one of the most influential Japanese motorcycles ever produced, offering a familiar inline-4 platform with classic styling and strong aftermarket support. While this particular example is better suited as a project or parts bike, the CB750 remains a favorite among enthusiasts because of its mechanical simplicity and customization potential. This motorcycle starts, runs, rides, and stops, and comes with a 4-into-1 exhaust, good tires, a good seat, and several OEM parts and extras. Newer components include bars, cables, battery, chain, plugs, valve cover, and electrical parts, although the seller notes that the charging system, fork seals, and cam chains will need attention. At $1,000, this CB750 provides an affordable foundation for a restoration or custom project.